Hello, this is Dr. Garrett Castleberry, Program Director for Communication, Media, and Ethics here at Mid-America Christian University. I am here with our Introduction to Computer-Mediated Communication Video Discussion 5 prompt, and as we head toward the end of the course, we move into a seminal concluding section of Rainey and Wellman's Networked, the new social operating system. And so one of our core themes throughout this class has been reading about networks and this aspect we identify as networked individualism. And so as we are working through Chapter 10 in week 5 of our CMC course, there are some important sections to highlight. However, for our video discussion prompt this week, I want you to pay close attention to the section starting on page 262 entitled How People Can Thrive in Networked or as Networked Individuals. All right, and so the authors generate for us a list of ways or guidelines or identified aspects of how we can thrive as networked individuals. And so the first portion of our video discussion 5 prompt is to isolate one of these subsections that are italicized if you are having a hard time locating them. Identify a section that speaks to you directly, and for part 1 of our response, share which aspect that is for you, or set a goal for how you can respond to that prompt that the authors present for us, okay? And so we are pulling directly out of chapter 10 in the 3rd unit of Networked, and that is the first part of our video discussion prompt. The second part draws from some of their concluding remarks in chapter 10. And to just tease out what happens there, the authors talk about new literacies for networked individuals. And so already, if you're familiar, we have a course entitled Digital Media Literacy here at MacU, one of the new classes we're excited about. And the ideas that come from us in Chapter 10 build on that foundation even more. So whether you have experienced that course in the past or perhaps will encounter it in the future, these concepts they provide to end Chapter 10 are a great primer for us, all right? And so the second part of our video discussion prompt is to choose one of the new literacies for networked individuals. And these run from pages 272 to 274 in Networked. And so when you identify one of the terms, we have a 2-part question for you to respond to. First, which of these appeals directly to your current situation? And how so? Explain that for us. And then as a part B to that prompt, talk about an additional type of literacy mentioned that represents a recognizable future goal for you. All right, and so with these prompts coming directly from Rainey and Wellman's Networked, we can conclude our video discussion portion of Intro to CMC, Computer Mediated Communication. As always, I look forward to your responses. Thank you.